Alright, here is the second half of the lab. Now, as you look at this speaker, you can see it's moving right in here. You can see that these waves are coming forward, spreading out, kind of like a diffraction type thing, and going into this person's eardrum. Now, first question it asks you, which is number 2, is this a transverse wave or is this a compressional wave? And then go ahead and explain why you have that reasoning. Okay, question number 3 says, let's go ahead and let's explore some of the frequency. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and change the frequency by raising it up. And you can see it going towards the person's ear. We can go ahead and go all the way up to 1000. Comparing that to what we originally had. Okay, let's go ahead and come back down now. Okay, let's go down to about 283. Again, kind of look at the dark spots, white spots. Come down even a little bit more. And so forth. Okay, the question says, describe frequency in your own words. Now, while you're thinking of that, I'm actually going to go ahead and enable some audio. Might be a little bit annoying, but let's go ahead and enable some audio. As we go up. Okay, and these are sound waves. Working our way on down. Okay, so notice the sound now. And then coming back up, let me take that off because I need to get it back to the 515 for what we need for the next question. So bringing it back, it says bring it back to 515. Okay, so we're back at 515. Next thing it says to do is let's go ahead and explore amplitude. So I'm going to go ahead and now bring it up. And again, kind of notice the shades or the darkness. Notice the speaker itself. Let's go ahead and come back down to center. And then let's go ahead and let's start bringing it down. Let's go ahead and bring it back to middle and let's enable some audio now. If we go ahead and bring it up. And let's go ahead and bring the audio or amplitude down. All the way down to nothing. Okay, the question said on number 4, what happens to the compressions when you increased the amplitude? So let's go ahead and again, I'm going to bring it back up for you. So you increase the amplitude. What is happening to the compressions when amplitude? Come back to normal. Let it get to the person's ear. And all of a sudden now let's look at all the way up. Bringing it back to center. Number 5, describe the amplitude of a compressional wave. Going back and thinking about what a compressional wave is. What is the amplitude on that compressional wave? So remember, first half of the lab you did by following and going to the website that it stated. I had to do this one because it had a Java, which I know your computers don't have. So again, kind of went through, and you can pause, go back, and look at the portion you need to answer questions 2 through 5.